2-in-1 string trimmer. It's actually a 20-volt string trimmer, and it's got the grass top trimming and has a lawn edging on it up to 8,700 RPMs, longer work time, auto feed line, fast charging, and easy to use. You know what? We always like something that's easy to use. I've already had this thing out and used it several times, so I know how easy it is to use. So you're going to get a whole pack of these little lines right here. So I love these where you could just replace it, easy to take on and off. You get 2 batteries to it to check the batteries. Just mash the actual pull down. You see right there, that's fully charged. To charge them, you get the charger right here, plugs right into the top, just like that. That's how you charge them. So pretty simple, easy to work. Batteries go on and off. You do have to assemble this thing. Here's how you assemble it. Believe it or not, you only needed to screw these things together, and the only thing I had to actually use a screwdriver on was the actual feeder part right here. So you run 2 screws in right here, one right there, and that piece snaps on there. This little wheel snaps on there. I like these little wheels. They seem to work just fine. You have a little kind of edge guard right there if you want to use it for edging. If you want to turn it, see how I can move it around? This is how I turn it from edging to a weed eater, and then I can move my wheel. I can turn my wheel around right there. So very nice on that, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to be using it. I'm not going to use the edging feature. Actually, I'll show you the edging feature there. And all you're going to do, you see this area right here, tighten these up, slide on and off, just like that. You've got a left and a right top trigger, so that what makes this good, you can go there and there. If you want to rotate this head, now it's an edger. So I'm going to use it for edging like that right there. So that's how that would work. So I got a car over here that's got a lot of weeds up around it, and let's go ahead and weed up under that. All right, everybody, here we go. Look how nicely that's working. And this has that auto feeding line right here. If you look, see, I can kind of pull that little button right there. Now this right here will cut that line. And surprisingly, this little wheel works better than you think it does. Oh yeah. That's working great. Okay, now to put this thing in edger mode, we see that it works in weed eater mode. I don't see any issues with that. See how you can take that little wheel off right there? Check this out. It just slides on right there like that. Now, push this button. Look how fast I can just go right to edging mode. I like how I can hold it down like that. And it's completely got the guard working for me. You know, I'm surprised at the affordability of this thing and how well it's working right here. Look at that grass flying. I don't see any issues with that thing at all. That worked surprisingly well by putting the wheel on this side and then edging like that, and then just to switch it back around. You know what? It's an easy turn back around. And I've always liked these little small ones like this that are easy to kind of hit little small parts like this, then put it up and go on to the next day. Yeah, you're not going to be able to do a big commercial lawn with this. I don't see any issues with using it for this. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, little small 20-volt weed eater. See you on the next video.